Good morning, everybody. Johnny B. Good here, located in Johnson, town of Marathon, Wisconsin. Marathon County, maybe. Anyway, I'm sure this is Johnson, according to the GPS. Anyway, so once again, today it is Tuesday, February 5th. 2019. Temperature is 10 degrees. 19 degrees in Sheboygan. Local time is 7:37 a.m. Grace and I are headed for Terrell, Texas. Once again, delivering at Walmart. But first, I gotta stop at this Abbeyland truck stop here and do some. That's it right there. I gotta fill up one of the tires. Seems a little low. Gotta go to the shop. Then get my coffee first. I think I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get a cat scale. Make sure we're proper and legal. A lot of you suggested that I should take 39 South down to St. Louis, but this is the closest truck stop I could find. And besides, it's early enough that we can enjoy the beauty of western Wisconsin and Minnesota. So I thought I'd treat you guys on a different scenery, different route. Savor and enjoy the moment here in Wisconsin like no other state in the whole world. I truly believe Wisconsin is a very unique state. I really do. Alright, what else is going on? Boy, the $50 contest, I'm suspending it because there's no proper way of judging who won, because one of you or some of you said 1, 2, 3 and whatever numbers, and I don't really understand those, so I can't really distinguish who won or not. There's I don't know how to say it. Obviously you can't copy and paste it on your comment section. I don't know what to do. I hate to back out and be accused of I was lying. I didn't intend to lie on that. I just didn't realize how people could give me their proper answers. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what would be a good way and a safe way to continue that. Again, the temperature here is 10 degrees according to the cell phone, 12 degrees according to Grace. This is not the truck stop I wanted. It's past this, I know that for sure. It's in Cortez, Wisconsin. And I just set the GPS to Terrell, Texas from here. It wants me to go back to 39 West. It had me exit and go east, actually. And now it's recalculating to have me get off at the next exit and go back east again. My question is, how long will it take before it recalculates going west? That's the exit I want right there. No, not that one. It's down there. I know it. I know where it is. I don't think there's a tire shop anywhere here. By the way, I've been watching Long Haul Larry's snowmobile video. Wow. They sure have a lot of snow up there. Makes you want to go snowmobiling or, build a house up there somewhere. But I don't know. I like it. I like where it's warm. Now it's recalculated. We are now headed west towards Minneapolis now. As soon as I pass that exit back there, it's having me to go west now, which is 1,099 miles from here to Terrell, Texas. not more than 5 miles from here. I don't think. Really not that far. Right now we've got 3/4 full of DEF, 3/4 full of diesel fuel. And of course, we've got 70 hours of our ELD. They're right there, where those water towers are. Abilene truck stop, located here in Cortez, Wisconsin. In fact, this is where we picked up a load not that long ago. Pretty sure they have a cat scale here. They do. They do. You know what? We should really get the cat scale first. I have the Jake brake set on automatic. What that means is every time I step on the brake, the Jake brake also engages. Saves the wear and tear of the brakes. Alright, let's change duty status here. There you go. Okay, Catskill. Cortez, Wisconsin. Waiting for Waymaster authorization. So I take it that they manually have to. Hello? Yeah? All right, thank you. All right, we're 12,080 pounds on the steer, 32,920 on the drives, 34,640 on the trailer axle. So we're gonna slide our trailer axle 2 holes back. Question: if I slide the trailer tandems to the rear, will that add any weight to the steer? Answer: probably not. I'm gonna go in and get my coffee, and I'll be right back. Peace. Alright, so we're gonna go to the Avalon here and find out where their tire shop is at. I did move the tandems to the rear 2 holes, and these holes are like, gosh, they gotta be at least 400 pounds a piece. They're spaced out about that big, so we should be all right. right back. Bait 2. Hey, later. All right, this was our weight. Again, I slid the tandems to the rear. 2 holes. So I would imagine that's 33,800 by now. Not that bad. Okie dokie. Later.